You will learn how to convert Excel file into PDF format in this video. There are 3 methods to do this in Excel. You don't need to use online tools as they are insecure for your data. So, without further ado, let's get started from method 1. Under File menu, click on Print button. Then select Microsoft Print to PDF as printer. Click Print button. Save as dialog box is opened. Click on Save button to generate PDF. Under File menu, click on Save As button. To choose your desired location, double-click on this PC. Save As dialog box is opened. Then under Save As Type, drop-down menu, select PDF. Click on Save button to generate PDF. Under File menu, click on Export button. Then select Create PDF. Publish As dialog box is opened. Click on Publish button to generate PDF.